Hello students, welcome to Young Cubs. We are continuing the chapter Linear Equations in One Variable. We are continuing word problems of this chapter. So our O sum says, the length of a rectangle is 14 centimeters more than its breadth and its perimeter is 180 centimeters. Find the area of the rectangle. So that's my rectangle. Okay, length is 14 centimeters more than the breadth, so let me take the breadth as x. So my length will be 14 centimeter more, correct? And I have the perimeter, which is 180 centimeters. All this as a part of the information has been given to us. So let's start. Perimeter of a rectangle is twice L plus B, twice the length plus the breadth, correct? Instead of perimeter, now I'm going to substitute it with the number. Twice my length is x plus 14, my breadth is x. 180 is equal to 2 into x, no. So first I'm going to solve things within the bracket. So twice x plus x makes it 2x plus 14. Yes, 180 is equal to 2 into 2x, 4x plus 14 into 2 makes it 28. 180 minus 28 is equal to 4x. How much is 180 minus 28? It is equal to 152. So 4x is equal to 152. Yes, x is equal to 152 upon 4. 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12, remainder 3, 32, 4 8s are 32. What's my breadth? X is equal to 38. That's my breadth. Okay, what's my length? Length is nothing but x plus 14, which is equal to 38 plus 14. 12, 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 1, 5, 52. Yes, so length is equal to 52 centimeters, breadth BADTH is equal to 38 centimeter. Okay, now they don't want the length and the breadth. They straight away said find the area. Alright, so what's the formula for area for rectangle? Area is equal to length into breadth, which is equal to 58 into 52 into 38. 52 into 38, which is equal to, doing it on the calculator children, 52 into 38 is 2204. 52 into 38 is 1976 centimeters square. You have to put the unit correctly. Area is always expressed in centimeters square. So your statement, since it's a word problem, find the area of the rectangle. So the area of the rectangle is 1976 centimeters square. Good to go. Our next sum says the length of a rectangle exceeds its breadth by 7 centimeters. So again, whatever is smaller, we write it down as x. Let the breadth be x, and the length exceeds it by 7. So therefore length is x plus 7, correct? If the length is decreased by 4. So now children, let me have two different ones. So let this is my first breadth. I can write this as b1, and this is my first length. I'll write it as L1. So L1 is equal to x plus 7, b1 is equal to x. Now what is it saying? The area, one second. So if the length is decreased by 4, so what's my length out here? X plus 7. So my length 2 is going to be x plus 7, and it is going to be decreased by 4. That means minus 4, correct? And the breadth is increased by 3. So the second breadth has to be increased by 3. What happens? The area of the new rectangle is the same as the area of the old rectangle. Okay, fine. So area of rectangle 1 is equal to area of rectangle 2, correct? What are the dimensions of rectangle 1? Length into breadth, correct? Substitute. What is my length? X plus 7, the whole thing into the breadth, which is x. Okay, what is my length out here? X. So over here, if you see x plus 7 minus 4, this can also be written as x plus 3. 7 minus 4, 3. So I'll straight away write that x plus 3, this whole thing multiplied by x plus 3, which is my breadth. Okay, x into x makes it x square plus 7x. Now this is nothing but x plus 3 the whole square, correct? And we have an identity formula for this, a plus b the whole square. Remember children, a square plus 2ab plus b square. So this is my a value, this is my b value. What is the first one? A square. So I'll write it as x square, substituting it, plus 2. What is my a? Which is x. What is my b? Which is 3. And b square is nothing but 3 square. X square plus 7x is equal to x square plus 2 into 3, 6x plus 3 3s are 9. Correct? Now let me bring all the x and their degrees to the LHS. So x square, this is the one that I've written. This x will come on the LHS with a minus sign, plus 7x. This will come with a minus sign, is equal to 9. Alright, x and x cancel. 7x minus 6x makes it x is equal to 9. Correct? So what is it that they've asked? Find the length and the breadth. So my breadth is x, so I've got my breadth. And what's my length? This is my breadth. What's my length? Original length is x plus 7. So x instead of x, x plus 7 instead of x, 9 plus 7, which is nothing but 16. Correct children? So this is my length and breadth. So what is it? Find the length and breadth of the original rectangle. My statement, the length and breadth of the original rectangle is 16 centimeter and 9 centimeter respectively. respectively. Remember children, I told you the meaning of respectively. It means by in order. If I've mentioned length first, I've mentioned the length or measurement first. If I've mentioned breadth afterwards, breadth measurement afterwards. Alright? My next sum says, the base and height of a triangle are in the ratio 4:3. So that's my triangle. Okay, the base is 4x. As I told you, ratio is always in the simplest form. Something will have to be multiplied. So that's the reason why introduction of our variable x. Okay, so 4x, and the height is 3x. Okay, so again, if the base is increased, so my base 1 is 4x, my height 1 is 3x. So now if the base is increased by 4, so my base 2 will be 4x plus 4, and the height is decreased by 2, that means 3x minus 2. The area of the triangle remains the same. Alright, so area 1 is going to be equal to area 2. What is the formula for a triangle? It's half into base. I'm looking at base 1 into height 1 into is equal to half into base 2 into height 2. Correct? Half. What do I write instead of b1? 4x into height, half into what's my b2? My b2 is 4x plus 4 multiplied by the height, which is 3x minus 2. Alright, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So 2x into 3x makes it 6x square. Correct? Half into, or rather the bigger bracket. Now what am I going to do? I am going to break this and multiply each term with this entire bracket. So 4x into 3x minus 2 plus 4 into 3x minus 2. X square is equal to half 4 into 3, 12x square, minus 4 2s are 8x, plus 4 3s are 12x, 4 2s are 8, so minus 8. Okay, let me see if there's anything that I have to solve inside the bracket. So 12x square remains the same, 8 minus 8x and plus 12x makes it plus 4x minus 8. Alright children, see in this entire thing I can see that there is a common factor which is 4. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring the common factor 4 outside. 4 how much are 12? 3s are 12. 4 how much are 4 1s are 4, so let it be as x, and 4 2s are 8. Correct? 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So 6x square is equal to 2 3s are 6x square plus 2x minus 4. Alright, this multiplied by this multiplied by this, and it is again multiplied by this. Alright, easy. Now I know the moment I take this over here, it's going to be minus 6x square. I have to cancel it any which ways. So I'm going to cancel it right here. Alright, so and I'm going to take this plus 2x on the LHS, so it's going to become minus 2x, which is equal to minus 4. x is equal to minus 4 upon minus 2, minus cancel, 2 1s are 2 2s are. What's my value for x? X is equal to 2. Okay, now this is the basic term with which I'm going to multiply my base and height. So base is 4x, children. So base is equal to 4x. That means 4 into 2, which is equal to 8 centimeter. My height is equal to how much? 3x. Correct? Yeah, 3x. That means 3 into 2, which is equal to 6 centimeters. So what's my question? What does my question say? The area of the rectangle remains the same. Find the base and the height. So my statement, the base and height of the triangle is 8 centimeter and 6 centimeters respectively. Important to write respectively, children, giving all due respects. Next sum, the perimeter of an isosceles triangle is 32. What is an isosceles triangle, children? Two sides have the same measurement. They are equal. Okay, so the perimeter of this triangle is 32 centimeters. Each equal side is 1.5 times the base. So let the base be x. Therefore, each side is equal to 1.5 of x. Now, this is a mixed fraction. I'm going to change it into an improper fraction. So, 2, 1. What is the formula for improper fraction? Denominator into whole number plus the numerator. So, denominator is 2 into 1. 2. 2 plus 1, 3. So, 3 upon 2x. Alright, children. Now what? So find the length of the sides. Okay. So all the three sides. What is the formula for perimeter? The rule for perimeter, the formula for perimeter is add up all the sides. So this is my x. This is my 3 upon 2x. This is my 3 upon 2x. Correct? I'm going to add up all of them. So the base plus one side plus the other side. Okay. Perimeter 32 is equal to, now the LCM is going to be 2. Okay, 2 into, so this is 1. No denominator means 1 in the denominator. So 2 into how much gives me this 2? 2. So multiplied with the numerator as well. So 2x. So 2 into how much gives me this 2? 1. So as it is 3x plus 3x. Correct? So 32 is equal to, I'm going to multiply this here, right now. So I'll make it 64. 32 into 2 is 64. 2x plus 3x, 5x, 5x plus 3x, 8x. Okay, x is equal to 64 upon 8. 8 1s are 8 8s are. My base value is 8 centimeters. Correct? What is the side? Each side, it is 3 upon 2. 3 upon 2x, which is 3 upon 2 of 8. 2 1s are, 2 4s are, 3 4s are 12 centimeters. So each side is 12 centimeters. So what's my statement going to be? What does it say? Find the length of the sides. Length of the sides. Okay. So length of the sides are, lengths of these sides are 8, 12 and 12. It's a triangle, right? And two sides are the same. So I'm not going to write it like that. I will surely lose marks. 8 centimeter, 12 centimeter and 12 centimeter. So no respectively out here. At random, you can write it. My next sum. The cost of a table and chair is rupees 1620. If the table costs 16% more than the chair, find the cost of each. Each? Find the cost of each. Okay? So, smaller amount is of the chair. So, let the amount for the chair be X. Therefore, the cost, let me write cost over here. The cost, okay, the cost of English. The cost of the table is going to be 16%. 16% means 16 upon 100 of X plus the chair. Correct? Understanding, children? 16%. I'm going to get 16% and say X is 100. Okay. So if X is 100, okay, what is the cost of the chair, of the table now? This is the cost of the chair. So what's the cost of the table? 16% of 100. So 16, is it going to be 16 rupees? No, it is 16 rupees more than this cost of chair, which is 100. So it's going to be 116. Correct? So let me do the calculation over here. 16x upon 100 plus x, which is equal to 16x plus 100x. This goes multiplies here upon 100, which is equal to 116x upon 100. Alright, so that's the cost of your table. Okay, now what is the total cost? 1620, correct? So 1620 is equal to the cost of chair, which is x, plus the cost of the table. Correct? 100 again multiplied by x, 100x plus 116x, and the whole thing acquires a denominator. This 100, I'm going to take it on the other side, becomes 1620 and another 2 zeros, and this becomes 100x plus 116x, x becomes 216x. 6 plus 0, 6, 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 1, 2. So, x is equal to 162,000 upon 216. Alright? Two ones are 2, 2 8s are 16, 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2, 0 0 0, 1 plus 8 9, so it goes by 3. So 3, does it go by 9? 9 12s are 108, yeah. Let me do it by 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 6s are 18, 3 2s are 6, 3 7s are 21, 0 0 0. By 3 again, or by 9 this time. 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36, 4 1s are 4, 4 7s are 28, remainder 2, 4 5s are 20 and 0. So the cost of my chair is 750 rupees. Okay. What is the cost of my table? Now I'm going to simply subtract the cost of the chair from the total amount. So what's my total amount? 1620 minus 750, which is equal to 870 rupees. 870. All right, simple. Okay, so what's my statement going to be? Find the cost of each. The cost of the chair and table costs are chair first. So chair rupees 750 and rupees 870 respectively. Important to write the statement. Next sum. Shri Vidya gets a certain amount of money on retirement. She deposits half the money in a bank. Okay, she gets a certain amount of money. So let the amount be X. She deposits half the money in a bank. So amount deposited in bank is half of X. Correct? She gives her daughter half of the remaining. So amount given to daughter is equal to half of the half and an additional sum of 6,000 plus an additional sum of 6,000. Let me solve this here. 1 into 1, 1. 4, 2 into 2, 4 plus 6,000. 4x, sorry. 4x plus 6,000. Alright. Half of half. Alright, so this is the daughter's amount. Then she has more. Oh yes. She gives her son. Okay, she gives her son also. She gives her son the remaining amount, which is found to be half of what she gave her daughter. So the amount given to son is equal to half of what she gave her daughter. This is what she gave her daughter, and uska bhi half. So half into 1/4 makes it 1. 1 into 1, 1. 2 4s are 8x. And this half multiplied by 6,000. So half of 6,000. 2 1s are, 2 3s are. So this is the son's amount. 1/8 x. 3,000 into 1. So it's going to be plus 3,000. So this is the son's amount. That's the daughter's amount. Okay. So now, what is the amount Shri Vidya received on retirement? So what is the amount we discussed? We said that let the amount be X. So this X is going to be amount deposited in the bank. Correct? So it's going to be half X plus amount given to her daughter, which is 1/4x plus 6,000. So 1/4x plus 6,000 plus what she's given her son, this one, which is 1/8x plus 3,000. So now let's add up all of them. I'm going to bring all the x's on one side, on the LHS itself, but on one side. Plus 1 upon 4x plus 1 upon 8x plus 6,000 plus 3,000. So x is equal to, the LCM of all of these is going to be 8. I'll show. So 2, 4, 8. 2 ones are 2s are 4s are 2 ones are 1s are 2s are 2. So multiply all of them. 8. 2 into how much is 8? 4. So numerator also multiplied by 4. 4 into 2 is equal to this 8. So this also multiplies by 2. It becomes 2x plus 8 into 1. So numerator also by 1. So x plus 6,000 plus 3,000 makes it 9,000. X is equal to 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 1, 7x upon 8 plus 9,000. X, 8 multiplied by 9, 7x plus 8 9s are 72,000 upon 8. Falling short of place, children. X is equal to, so I'm going to take this 8 on the other side, I'm going to make it 8x is equal to 7x plus 72,000. 7x goes to the LHS, acquires a minus sign. X is equal to 72,000. So what statement will I make? What is the amount Sri Vidya received on retirement? Sri Vidya received an amount of 72,000 on retirement. All right. Anuj has 1,000 in denominations of rupees 5 and 2 coins. Okay, if the number of 2 rupee coins, okay, not the amount but it's saying the number of 2 rupee coins Anuj has is 5/8 of number of 5 rupee coins. How many coins of each type does Anuj have? Children, this is the amount, and here it wants the number of coins in number and not the amount. Understand? So let the number of 5 rupee coins be x. But I'm going to simultaneously look at the amount also, because finally we may have to convert this for verification into amount. Okay, so amount will be 5 rupees into the number of coins, correct? This is in terms of money. Okay, M-O-N-E-Y. Alright, so now let the number of 2 rupee coins be 5/8 of x. So it's going to be 5x upon 8, and in amounts this 5 upon 8x will be multiplied by 2, correct? So 2 1s are 2 4s are, so it's going to be 5x upon 4. Alright, this is the amount, children, on the right hand side corner that I have drawn a line with. Okay, so let me look at it in terms of amount now. So 1,000 rupees will come if I have 5x plus 5x upon 4, correct? So 1,000 is equal to 4 into 5. 20x plus 5x upon 4. 4 goes on the left hand side. So 4000 is equal to 25x. Correct? X is equal to 4000 upon 25. So 5 5s are 25, 5 8s are 40, 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5, 5 6 are 30. So what's my x value? 160. So what is the what are the number of coins for a 5 rupee coin? So number of 5 rupee coins is equal to 160. Okay, and now 5/8 of x will give me, so 5/8 x, which is nothing but 5 upon 8. What is the x values? 160. 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, which is equal to 5 2s are 10, 100. So number of 2 rupee coins is equal to 100. So let's look at this now. What's the amount? Do I get it up to 1000? So 5 into x. So x value is 160. 160 into 5. How much does that make it? 5 zeros are 0. 5 6 are 30. 5 1s are 5. 6 7 8. 800 rupees. Okay, and 100 I am going to multiply by this 2. Going to be 200 rupees. Does that give me 1000 rupees as stated in the sum? Yes, children? Good to go. Some sums can be verified. Alright, so my statement goes as, what should I write? How many coins of each type does Anuj have? Anuj has 160 5 rupee coins and 100 2 rupee coins. All right. Last sum of the day, children. A laborer is engaged for 30 days on the condition that he will be paid rupees 80 for each day he works, and he will be fined rupees 10 for each day he is absent. Okay, so in these 30 days, there are days that he is going to work and there are days that he is going to be absent, which will make up the 30 days. Alright, so let the number of days, let the number of present days be x, and let the number of absent days be y. So x plus y is equal to 30, correct? Okay, now a laborer is engaged for 30 days on the condition that he will be paid rupees 80 for each day he works. So as per the payments, how do I form my equation? 80x, okay, amount for number of days worked is equal to 80x, amount fined. So here it says, and he will be fined rupees 10 for each day he is absent. So amount fined for number of days absent is equal to 10. Why we've taken children as for the absenteeism. Alright, fine. Okay, so now if he was finally paid 1860, how many days did he come for? Alright, so we have two variables. Let me write this equation in one variable only. That means I'm going to write the value of y in terms of x. So if I take the x on the RHS, it becomes 30 minus x. Alright, so now he's going to earn 80x for the days he's present, and minus 10y, he's going to have less amount by 10 for each day he's absent. Alright, and after all this, being present he earns 80, being minus being absent, he's going to get minus 10 for each day. How much has he earned? 1860. And now minus 10, I have already done. I have already removed the value of y in terms of x. So instead of y, I'm going to write 30 minus x, which is equal to 1860. 80x minus 10 into 30 is 300. Minus 10 into minus x is going to be plus 10x, which is equal to 1860. Correct? So 80 plus 10, 90x. 1860, I'm going to take a minus 300 on the other side. It will become plus 300. 90x is equal to 0 and 0 makes it 0, 6 and 0, 6, 8 and 3, 11 and 2160. So x value 2160 upon 90. Cancel. 3 3s are 9, 3 7s are 21, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12. So number of days which we've taken as x, he's worked for 24 days. Okay, so what is the question? How many days did he come for work? So he came for 24 days. Correct? So the laborer came to work for 24 days. As a ref check, let's see. Okay, let's look at this. 80x. What is 80x? 80 into 24. How much is 80 into 24? 80 into 24, 1920. Done it on the calculator, children. So 1920 rupees is what he earned. But then he's been fined. Correct? So how many days out of 20? Out of 30 days, he came for 24 days. Correct? So that means he was absent for 6 days. So 6 into 10 makes it 60 rupees. So he was fined 60 rupees. So 1920 minus 60 is how much? 1860. Perfect. Yes, children. This is how you can check with the amount as well. My statement is right here. And that's all for today, children. Thank you and God bless you all.